As the month starts, I will show you 6 apps that will ease your mind, save your time and ensure your privacy. Watch the whole video, I am sure it will be worth it. Hey guys, welcome to the channel DTECBROZ. With all the security breaches nowadays, Android 12 have a new feature called Privacy Dashboard, which allow you to see and manage how applications utilize your smartphone. For a budget range Android device, it is less likely to get this update. Privacy Dashboard app will allow you to get this feature on your Android device, which is available from Play Store. They have privacy indicators showing which app is currently using your microphone, camera, location, etc. by this green indicator. This app provides stats of your installed app usages of camera, location, microphone, etc. You can check timeline of each service and you can customize the theme of app. You must install this app if you prioritize your privacy. The second app is MindLeak. Most of us have apps in our phone that will kill our time without us knowing it. If you have some sort of addiction towards an app, it is good to have a stopper to limit your app usage. The MindLeak app comes in handy in this type of situation. After allowing all permission, you can select which all apps that you need to take break from overusing it. Then select which type of alert that you need. You can set front camera alert, set any video alert or set any animated GIF. You can set time for notification in each apps. You must check this app out, it will be really handy. The third app is Disable Touch. This app lets users to disable the screen touch whenever required to avoid accidental click. For disabling touch, open any app, then select Disable Touch from the notification bar. The app automatically detects the phone calls and re-enables the touch if it is disabled. I use this feature mainly for video streaming apps. We can use this app to listen to our favorite videos even when your phone is in your pocket without worrying about accidental touches. You must try this app out. The fourth app is ClipDrop. It is an application that can use to capture the object and put it in the desktop application by removing its background. It can capture everything and transfer to the desktop as cropped with cleared background. You can easily copy not only the objects but also the text you capture. Then you can change the background of each object. The captured image can be saved in PNG format. And the app is very useful in removing background of objects and can use in online shopping site if you want to sell something on internet. Check it out. When we plug in the charger to charge our phone, we will get an inbuilt notification sound. Then how about getting notification in your sound? Yes, it's possible by Battery Sound Notification app. It is a tool for configuring a range of notification profiles in order to get reports on battery status of our smartphone. You can set notification for different modes when we charge or disconnect or when the battery is full for low battery. You can add audio file of your voice or ringing tone, or you can set text to speech notification. You must check this app out.
DTECBROZ.
For leaving all stress aside, try this app Fluid Simulation Free. Play with colors on your Android device. Colors will soothe your mind. You must try this app. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below which app you like the most. Like this video and subscribe to the channel to get more video updates. Check out my other videos. See ya.